As the sun sets and the world begins to quiet down, there is a sacred call that resonates through the hearts of believers, the call to Isha Salah, the night prayer. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers, and welcome back to Prophet's Guidance, your source of spiritual enlightenment in preparation for Ramadan. Today, let us delve into the profound benefits of performing the Isha Salah, as narrated by our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. In a beautiful hadith, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever prays the Isha prayer in congregation, it is as if he has spent half the night in vigil, and whoever prays far in congregation, it is as if he has spent the entire night in vigil." Reflect on the magnificence of this reward. By performing Isha Salah in congregation, we are blessed with the spiritual nourishment equivalent to spending half the night in devotion to our Creator. As we prepare for Ramadan, let us seize each moment to strengthen our connection with Allah. Let us prioritize our daily Farz Salah, starting with the serene Isha prayer, and reap the abundant blessings promised by our Prophet, peace be upon him. May our hearts be illuminated with the light of faith, and may our souls find solace in the sweetness of prayer. Join us next time for more insightful discussions on Prophet's Guidance.